Hello everybody, I'm Natalie from Hobbybase.
Hi, I'm Jo.
And we are doing a special unboxing video of the October edition of Hobbybase Club. This is the first time that Jo has done an unboxing video and seen the full contents of what we send out each month. So I'm really looking forward to hearing what she has to say. Cool, so Jo, crack it open, let's have a look.
Well, imagine this, this is a big box. Imagine this coming through. How exciting this would be. Oh, look.
So it's all wrapped up nice and neatly.
All wrapped up in some lovely
Now we
tissue.
send these out every single month. They are £20 a month. And they go out at the beginning of every month. So what have we got?
Okay, we have fluffy stuff, cosmic shimmer fluffy stuff. So snowy kind of puffy glue.
Ah, nice.
White puffy stuff it's called.
Lovely.
So I would assume that puffs up to make a lovely winter card. Some lovely ideas.
So in each box you get a inspiration sheet. So it kind of introduces you to the theme of the box, which we haven't said. Every month is a new theme. It's a surprise theme. If you're a member of the club, you don't know what's coming until you get your box. And October's was Festive Wonderland. And what it does is it will tell you everything that you get inside it, and then open it up and you'll get 3 project inspirations that you can make, so that actually you can use all of this stuff in the box.
Wonderful, wonderful. So beautiful glitter cards. I love gold.
Yeah.
Just definitely Christmas to me. Another one of my favourites is the snowflake acetate.
Nice, that's cute.
Oh yes, really good. Make lots of different things with that.
Yeah.
And they're a nice size as well for card making. Oh, we have some, oh look at that, little snowflake cutting die.
Nice.
Oh, that is so sweet. We have some coordinating rhinestones.
Cool.
Different colours but all coordinating, which are lovely. This is beautiful. A woodware clear magic stamp, stag stamp. What a lovely size.
That's huge, wow.
Isn't it? That is just beautiful.
Yeah.
I really like that. And continuing on the deer theme, we have Sweet Dixie reindeer dies.
Cute.
Yeah, there's 3 dies in there. Absolutely beautiful, and more detail that will come through when you die cut
So
them.
we can already start to see the amount of products we're actually getting in here. 2 dies, kind of each box you get a signature piece, if you like, die or stamp or both. So we've got stamp, die, another die, embellishments, 2 funky kind of additional bits of paper.
There's a lot in here. Right, oh look at this. So we have a blank card, Snowfall. I don't know if you can see, but it's actually sort of ready embossed.
Nice.
So that's ready to go. Now I love craft card. I really do. So you've got a lovely 5x7 by the looks of it, craft card blank.
Nice.
To get an envelope to be getting on with. Oh, silver. You could do so much with a beautiful silver card and a matching envelope.
So every box has 3 card blanks in it, and they're not always plain card blanks either.
And finally, we've got some beautiful papers.
So we always put a full range of papers in, because everybody was telling us they love papers.
Oh,
everyone loved the papers, so we wanted to make sure that there was loads of paper choice, which is why we put in the kind of extra colours as well. But everybody's papers can be different as well. These aren't necessarily representative of what's in this box.
Right,
okay.
But you know, what a lovely coordinating set.
Yeah.
Absolutely brilliant.
Indeed. So that's everything that came in this month's Hobbybase Club. It was, of course, Festive Wonderland themed. We hope you absolutely loved that. And just to go through some more detail with the cards, we work with an amazing card designer called crafter called Angela Dodson, and she creates 3 projects each and every month. So she never knows what she's going to get in the box. We send her it blind, and she comes up with some fantastic projects for the box. So we've got this wonderful project, second project that she did for us, and the third one as well. So these are just some of the cards that you can make with the entirety of the box. And if we just, Jo, do you want to show the sheet? So each one is
really detailed,
all printed, and then the step-by-step instructions are then included on the sheet, and it will also tell you if there's any extra bits
that you need. Yeah, fantastic. It's all there.
So it really is about making sure you guys get the full worth of the contents, the full enjoyment of the contents, and this really is approachable, I guess, or accessible for crafters of any stage.
Yeah, absolutely.
So if you're expert crafter, or if you've been crafting for a long time, or if you're just starting, you don't have to use the inspiration, but you can do. And we also have a fantastic Facebook community. So if you are a member of Hobbybase Club, you get to join our Facebook community called the Subscribers Corner, where we all sit and share lots of crafting ideas and projects. So that's it for this week. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed what you saw about Hobbybase Club. If you're interested, do go to www.hobbybase.club and let us know if you join. But in the meantime, have a wonderful day, and we will see you very soon. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.